Welcome to our weekly episode, Mindful Moments. In today's session, we will introduce you to two new mindfulness exercises. Firstly, balloon belly breathing. Imagine blowing up a balloon, except the balloon is your belly. Begin by sitting or lying down comfortably. Place a hand on your stomach. Take a slow inhale through your nose, imagining your belly inflating like a balloon. Feel your hand rising as you breathe in. Now exhale slowly through your mouth and deflate the balloon. Notice your hand lowering as your belly contracts. Repeat this 5 to 10 times, focusing on the sensation of your breath filling and emptying your body. Let's practice this together now. Find your comfortable position and place your hand on your belly. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your belly expand, and exhale through your mouth, letting your belly fall. Continue breathing at your own pace, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen with each breath. Now, let's move to our second exercise, the body scan meditation. This practice helps you connect with each part of your body, bringing awareness to sensations you might normally overlook. Start by finding a comfortable position. Allow your body to settle and become still. Close your eyes if that feels right for you. Begin by bringing awareness to your breath, noticing the natural rhythm without trying to change it. Now direct your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations present, perhaps warmth, coolness, tingling, or pressure. There's no need to judge these sensations. Simply observe them with curiosity. Slowly move your attention up to your feet, then your ankles, becoming aware of all the sensations present. Continue moving your awareness up through your calves, knees, and thighs. Notice any tension you might be holding, and allow those areas to soften with each exhale. Bring your attention to your hips, lower back, and abdomen. Feel the movement of your breath in your torso. Move your awareness to your chest, upper back, and shoulders. Notice if you're carrying any tension here, and allow it to release. Continue to your arms, wrists, and hands, all the way to your fingertips. Finally, bring attention to your neck, face, and the top of your head. Take a moment to feel your entire body as a whole, connected and present in this moment. Notice how your body feels different now compared to when we started. As we conclude this session, remember that you can carry this mindful awareness with you throughout your day. Mindfulness becomes second nature over time, so just keep with it. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. We're excited to share that. Because we've received such great feedback on Mindful Moments, we will be presenting you with 2 more similar segments per week, an episode focused on stress relief techniques, and a weekly positive mantra episode. We will get a schedule up on the podcast site soon. Thank you for practicing mindfulness with us today. Until next time, stay present.